Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change out an antenna base for a 2007 to 2013 Toyota Tundra. The techniques that I use in this video can actually be applied to several other makes and models out there, so stay tuned for the whole video and I hope you learned something from it. Also, if you want to find out where I got my cheap replacement for around $5, just check out the link down in the description below. So let's get right into it. As you can see, this antenna base has seen some better days. The best thing to do, I found, is to break off whatever remnants are around it so you can easily gain access to the base of it. This is the antenna that I had on there. You first want to unscrew your antenna off from the base so you can gain access to the antenna mount. Alright, let's get right into it. So I like to go ahead and remove all the debris out first that's kind of loose. Then I like to use a utility knife and cut upwards into the rubber and into the shaft so that it loosens up some of the pressure. Now you can get some electrical tape so you can kind of protect the edge there, because we're about to use a flathead screwdriver to shove into the antenna mount and push upwards so you can pry it away from the base. Once you've done that, then get your flathead screwdriver and position the mount towards the hole so you can pull it out with the needle nose pliers. Now it's time to get out your window cleaner, and we're going to spray our new antenna mount, and we're also going to spray the actual antenna base so it will just slide right onto the shaft. Now all you need to do is put the new one on and just kind of slide it on there and wiggle it in, and then once you get it situated in the right place, then you can go and remove your tape, and then you can use the back of a flathead screwdriver or a hammer and push down. After you're all done, you should have something that looks like this, and you can just clean up the surrounding area and then get your antenna back out and you can just screw it back into the base. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope it helped you out. If you know someone that could use this video, definitely share it with them. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.